In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Microsoft PowerPoint. Start by opening PowerPoint and loading the presentation where you want your logo to appear. Decide whether you want the logo on every slide or just on a specific slide. If you want it everywhere for a consistent brand look, the most reliable method is to place it on the slide master. If you only need it on one slide, you can add it directly to that slide. To use the Slide Master, go to the View tab at the top and click Slide Master. You're now working behind the scenes on the layouts that control how your slides look. Anything you add here will show up automatically on all slides that use that layout, which keeps your logo consistent and makes it harder to accidentally move during editing. Now, insert the logo. With the Slide Master open, or on a single slide if you chose that route, go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose this device if the logo is saved on your computer, or Online Pictures if you're pulling it from the web. Select your logo file and click Insert. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks clean and professional, especially over colored shapes or photos. Once the logo appears, position and size it. Click and drag the image to where you want it. Common placements are the top left or bottom right corners, because those areas are visible without distracting from your main content. Use the corner sizing handles to resize proportionally. This helps avoid stretching. If you need extra control, hold Shift while resizing to keep the logo's proportions intact. Aim for a size that's visible but subtle, recognizable at a glance without competing with your text or charts. Leave a little space from the slide edges so it won't look cut off on different screens or projectors. If you use the Slide Master, head back to the Slide Master tab and click Close Master View to return to your normal slides. Now, review your presentation. Click through a few slides to confirm the placement looks consistent and that the logo doesn't overlap important content. If you inserted it on just one slide, it should only appear there. If you added it on the Slide Master, you'll see it across your slides. That's it. You've added your logo to PowerPoint in a clean, predictable way, keeping your presentation polished and on brand.